Okay, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harriet, and it's Friday. And you know what that means? It's now time for another cold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at X. X. Yeah, like D Generation X. X. This is a movie that is starring six women. Kahit lima lang yung nandito kasi spoiler alert, namatay yung isa throughout the movie. So, in red, from left to right, it's Angela Morena, Chino Dizon, Alia Raimundo, Astrid Lee, Ida Manzano, not shown because tinatakpan ng mukha ko, and Cesc Garcia is also playing a role in this movie. This is X. If you like this video, paki-like na lang po. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yes, X. Uh, this is supposed to be a remake of Eric Mati's Walang Tatakas X. Pero hindi ko pa yun napapanood. Shame on me for not doing any research. Alam ko lang is Dos X. That was a movie starring Rica Peralejo. And hindi to Dos X, so eh, wala tayong comparison. Unlike what I did to Balahibong Pusa, na todo yung comparison ko kasi napanood ko thoroughly yung first version niya over compared to the remake. So this one, we are going to look at this in a completely different limelight on how the plot is. So this plot is starred by five lovely ladies. Si Angela Morena leading a group composed of her cousin. Dito si Alia Raimundo, Astrid Lee, isang crazy bitch, the old bitch, Ida Manzano, and Cesc Garcia. And they are kidnappers. Okay? And then they pose themselves as prostitutes para makidnap si Ralph Christian Engels, isang Nepa baby, for ransom money. Along the way, in parallel to this story, is Dolor, played by Gina Dizon, na kabit, kerida ni Arnold Reyes, at shota ni Alia Raimundo. Yan. So, how do these two paths intertwine? Well, syempre si Alia Raimundo. Alia Raimundo in this group is the youngest, hence she is not in most operations. All operations made by Angela Morena's group is composed of four: Angela Morena, Ida Manzano, Cesc Garcia, and Astrid Lee. They did they kidnapped Ralph Christian Engels for ransom at babantayan nila ito with tinangkan nila dahil negosyante yung tatay ni Ralph. So malaki yung ransom. Pick upin nila. Of course, the common cliche here is nabisto sila. Okay? On the other hand, sa story ni China Dizon, ayaw na niya magpa-sex dun sa kirida niya na si Arnold Reyes. At nangako si Alieri Mundo na i-elope siya dito. Okay. So, the operation became a bust. This is Alieri Mundo's first operation. It became a bust. Along the way, yung hostage nila si Ralph Christian Engels almost escaped, almost killing up Cesc Garcia. Ginawa niyang hostage ito. So, things get a little wary for this group. So, naging bus, natuntun sila ng mga polis, nakatakas naman sila. Pag uwi at nahuli si Ida Manzano. Pag uwi ni na Astrid Lee sa ni Angela Morena, they were held at gunpoint by Ralph Christian Engels at imbes na tumakas holding two pistols, Angela did the seducing technique para makuha yung dalawang baril. She did it by kunwari nakikipagtalik kay Astrid Lee. Astrid Lee is the villain of this movie kasi siya yung medyo crazy. She's the crazy bitch. She's the femme fatale. And furthermore, she just wants money. She's just driven with greed. Okay. So, nabalik ulit si Rod Christian Engels. He's gonna be useless for the rest of this movie. Meanwhile, tumakas si China Dizon kay Arnold Reyes. After a bit of a scuffle, napatay ni China Dizon. Sinaksak ni China yung ari ni Arnold saka yung kanyang lalamunan to kill her. Hindi naman siya tumakas kagad. Pinuntahan siya ni Alia Raimundo para dalhin doon sa hideout na hindi alam ni Angela Morena. Okay? Natuntun sila ni Cesc Garcia. And yeah, at dahil dito, pinatay ni Alia Raimundo si Cesc Garcia, tinago niya sa trunk, at tinago niya si China Dizon sa isang safe house malapit sa safe house nila. Yun. Di nila alam, hindi alam ni Astrid Lee ano nangyari kay Cesc Garcia. Kaya nila umalis. At nagtataka sila bakit yung trunk ng sasakyan sobrang pagkahigpit ng pagkasara. Okay? So they were being double-crossed by Alia Raimundo while Astrid Lee tries to double-cross the cousins and wants to break free from the group. Nabuksan yung trunk, nalaman na nandun si Cesc Garcia, akala ni Angela pinatay ni Astrid si Cesc Garcia, nagkatutukan ng baril. At the same time, dumating yung mga polis kasi si Ida Manzano kumanta. I bet she was tortured. I don't know. Yun. And then, trinay tumakas ni Alia sa kani jowa niya si China Dizon, and they were all dead except for China Dizon. And yes, this is the ending of X. Everyone's dead except for China Dizon, who got arrested and will probably be sued for murder by Arnold Reyes. Ralph Christian Engels has been rescued. Okay. Ang masasabi ko, it's a very mid movie, but what I like is that it took risk. Hindi lang puro kangkangan ang pelikulang ito. It has action, and it has something that I missed throughout my watching career, watching series. Sloppy fight scenes. Yung hindi choreographed. Totoong slugfest. Totoong cat fight na fight scenes. Like, there's no choreography whatsoever. And it's the pièce de resistance. Okay? Kasi yun ang mas prepared ko. Ayoko ng choreographed fight scenes. Sure, it looks good on camera, but it's not practical in real life, and I just want slugfest, okay, for the unpredictability. Kasi pag choreograph, it's like they're dancing and not fighting. It's not real fighting, it's choreograph. Parang wrestling, di ba? AEW, they're doing flips. No, I want slugfest, and this is what the movie gave me. And what they did, they took a risk. I think it's been a long time since I've seen a pure action BMX. Like, Baliktaya was action, but there were no gunfights there. It's just martial arts. BJJ is another one. I think I can track down the last gunfight na narinig ko sa BMX to, let's say, Sitio Diablo. Yeah, this is what the movie felt like to me. And the scenes, the segs, they were not gratuitous. Except for the Arnold Reyes part with China. Yung may bulalo nakahapag, tapos imbes na kainin yung bulalo, nagkangkangan na lang sila sa harap ng bulalo. Yun. So, good job on them. I think everyone did their role well. This is not a segs first movie. It is action first, segs second. And I think it's a premonition on ano ang magiging direksyon ng Viva Max BMX moving forward in the future. Maybe hindi puro nakangkangan, or they will return to some good roots. Okay. So, ano ang rating natin sa X? Sa X. I'm gonna give X. Let's see. I'm gonna give X. Yeah, I said it's a mid movie. Yeah, smack bang in the middle. Very good. Tried to do something different, and I think it pays off. It's signs of things to come. So next Friday we'll watch Pagdaong. Yeah, see you there. Happy holidays, everyone. Peace.